Hi everyone, it's T-Tech, and in this video I am going to show you how can you make a post in Facebook as a public. So before starting the video, I ask you for something. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. If you go in your main Facebook, you can see here option, post option. If you click here post, you can post a new post in Facebook. So if you want to new post public, then you have to watch this for first, and if you want to a old post public, you have to watch this video till the end, because in the end part I will show you how can you post a post public which is before in your Facebook. So for new post, you have to simply click on your post, and you will can see here option friends. You can see here, if I post this post in Facebook, only my friends will can see this post, not everyone in this Facebook. So for publishing this post, you have to simply click here on friends. You can see here top down, but you will can see here your friend option or public option is not visible. You can see here your public option is not visible. Probably in your Facebook account, if you don't lock your Facebook, the public option probably visible, but for me here public option is not visible because my Facebook account is locked. So simply, if your Facebook account is locked, you have to simply click here on public. If your Facebook account is not locked, then also you have to click simply here public, and then you have to click here back, then the post will be public. But if your Facebook account is locked, you have to simply click here on public, and then you can see here you can't post to public when your profile lock. You have to simply click here unlock. After clicking here unlock, you will can see here option unlock. You have to simply click here unlock, and then you have to click here unlock your profile, and then your profile will be unlocked. You can see your profile have been unlocked, and then you have to click here again on top down option friends, and from here you have to choose public, and then you have to click here done, and that's how your post will be post as a public post. It's for new post. Now I will show you for old post which I post earlier, how can I make it public. So for that reason, you have to go simply in your Facebook profile. From Facebook profile, you have to simply choose any of your photo or post. Simply I want to make it public. You can see here only private or friend option is visible here. Simply I want to public this post. So for this reason, you have to click here three dot menu. You can see here option three dot menu. You have to simply click here three dot menu, and then you can see here option edit privacy. You have to simply click here edit privacy. After clicking here edit privacy, you can see here public anyone on or off Facebook. You have to simply click here private public, and then you have to click here back, and that's how your post will be public. You can see here my post have been public. So that's how you can post as a public in your Facebook or make a post as a public. So this is today's video. If you have any inquiry related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box, and also provide my Facebook link in description box. You can connect with me in my Facebook. Thank you so much.